What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and my name is Ryan for those of you who are new to this channel, and for those of you who have been following me for a long time, welcome back. So guys, on this episode we are going to talk about why it's important not to mix coolants and why you should only stick to the coolant registered for your vehicle only. Now, I am going to drain the coolant in this Corolla because it just hit the break-in period. So we're going to change all the fluids. I already drained the oil, and I'm going to change the coolant. Reason being, you cannot mix coolants, meaning I cannot put red coolant with blue coolant. I cannot use Toyota coolant with BMW coolant, and so on and so forth. It's because coolant becomes acidic. When you mix coolant, it becomes acidic into the head, and it starts to eat away at the head, causing you to have problems. I've seen it already in a first-hand basis. When I did the Chevy Avalanche rebuild, the edge of my head started to eat away a little bit. When they cut the head and resurfaced it, they told me what happens with that is when you mix coolants, they become acidic, or a bad chassis ground can also cause that to happen, and it does something to the coolant as well and causes it to eat away and whatnot. But most importantly, this video is going to be really quick. It's not going to be an 8-minute video. It's going to wrap up real fast. Basically, stick to your coolant. Look in your owner's manual. Look in your owner's registration book. Look in your owner's manual. That's the word I'm looking for. Look on Google and look up for what your car takes. Go to the Advanced AutoZone, AutoZone, Advanced Auto. I'm thinking too fast today. But go to these places and they will have everything that you need to tell you what your car takes. So like I said, always look at the label and make sure you're getting the proper thing. For example, for this Toyota, it takes the Asian vehicle red and pink antifreeze, and it's good for Toyotas 1990 and up. This is a 2007. That classifies in the up range. I have orange coolant, the Dex Cool for the Chevy Avalanche. I don't mix those. They're separated. So you always got to know what you're putting into your car, okay? And that's it. That's all I have for you guys today. So I hope you all enjoyed this really quick episode. And if you are not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And also do your boy a favor. Hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm, because it does help me get this channel to grow to a whole new length, guys. And I really appreciate it with each and every one of y'all if you can definitely do that for me and hit that like button. So I'll see y'all for the next one. Peace out.